These are the top 5 reasons why you should consider Sealant Pro Marine for your boat. Let's talk about it. Reason number 1, Sealant Pro Marine protects against UV damage. The sun can cause damage to your paint and gel coat, which can lead to oxidation and cracking. This is where Sealant Pro Marine comes in. It creates a sacrificial layer that contains UV inhibitors to prevent all that damage. Reason number 2, protects against saltwater damage. Saltwater can be extremely corrosive to all surfaces on your boat, from your gel coat, your paint, your metals, any textile, plastics, all that can lead to fading, cracking, rusting. Ceramic Pro to prevent this deterioration. Reason number 3, makes cleaning so much easier for a quick wipe down so you spend more time on the water and less time washing down your boat. Sealant Pro Marine fills in all the pores on almost any substrate you apply it to make an ultra slick surface, so you basically just have to spray off your boat. Things like bird droppings, algae growth, fish blood, if you're a fisherman, just sprays right off for very easy maintenance. Reason number 4, Sealant Pro Marine uses Nano Technology and has microscopic nanotubes in it to give any water that touches it very high contact angle for extreme hydrophobic properties that provide ease of maintenance and almost a self-cleaning effect. Reason number 5, we all like to look good on the water. Sealant Pro Marine provides a showroom finish unlike any other. Beautiful finish on every surface of your boat, whether it's paint, gel coat, metals, your vinyl cushions, your isinglass. Gives it extreme gloss to give you a very beautiful showroom finish unlike any other on any surface you can think of. If this interests you, feel free to go to sealantpro.com, learn a little bit more information about us, and inquire on how to get a coating on your boat.